Hi Epic, this is how you access your Headsprout placement test, which you should complete this morning. Open the app on your Epic iPad. Type in Epic Academy. It's case sensitive, so watch how I'm typing it here. Find your name. Now type in your password, which is 2 symbols. I will pause the video to remind you that your password exists in 4 different places. It came home with you on the back of your iPad. It is taped to your take-home folder. There is a login card in your original plastic container of take-home materials, and I have now uploaded your login card into your Dojo portfolio, so there are absolutely 0 excuses for not knowing your password at this point in time. Once here, click on the bottom bar Headsprout, click Assignment, and now you are here in your placement test. Make sure you follow it through until completion.